This is the little town at Train Town, Sonoma. This is the station supposedly, but we're gonna. So they have a barn right here. There's the roller coaster over there. This is a 15-inch gauge train. As you can tell, actually, here we go in the saloon. Here's the saloon. Yeah, this is their little town. It's called Lakeview, by the way. Sorry. Anyways, we're gonna go.
Welcome to Lakeview.
Yep.
Here's
the firehouse, I believe. Yep. Fire department. Yep. Monica's merchandise. Yeah, there's that. Groceries. It's supposed to be like an old town, and it's called Lakeview. We're in Lakeview right now. And this is a miniature train that has 2 stops. Now here's the school. Here's the school. Here's the church. Yeah. Stained glass windows. Yeah. Over here is the jail. Jail right here. Restrooms right here. Miniature restrooms. No, they're not real, so you can't use them. Here's what the graves say. Pause to read this. Pause to read that. 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 Yeah, this is the back of it. Anyways, that's about it. This is Lakeview. Nice view of the lake. Bye.